Amazon weight loss find from a certified weight loss coach. So these are the Ensure Protein Max drinks. I work with a lot of clients who, when they originally start with me, have been on very low calorie diets due to diet culture and yo-yo dieting. So usually we actually start by increasing their calorie intake so that we can make sure that they actually have good nutritional intake and are fueling their bodies properly. Now, one of the areas most of my female clients struggle in is getting adequate protein. So often we are employing things like protein shakes and protein drinks to get their nutritional intake, their protein intake up. I do enjoy the Ensure drinks because they can be mixed in coffee, and all of my clients drink coffee first thing in the morning. It's easy enough to get them to have 30 grams of protein first thing in the morning having the Ensure drinks. And because protein digests slower than other macronutrients, protein actually does help you feel full for longer, and it can help in weight loss due to that factor.